Hey folks, Kevin here. Well, it's September 26, 2024. It's afternoon. I've been working in the wood yard today, harvesting some chestnuts today, and one of the things I wanted to do was get some of the wood chips that we have piled up here in the front yard, put them into the dump trailer, haul it down with Optimus Maximus there down to the new pond site, and put some more wood chips down around where the boulders are. On the slope. So the boulders are at the base of the slope where it goes into the marginal zone of the new pond. And so I just want to get enough of the wood chips down there today, because hopefully maybe tomorrow and the next day I'll start transplanting some of the various trees and bushes down around that area so we can get things set for fall. It's been a pretty rainy few days. Sun just came up about a half an hour ago, so that's pretty cool. So that's the plan. Take some of the wood chips, load them in the trailer, haul it down to the pond, dump it. Maybe one will be it, maybe two. I'm just not sure yet. So we will see. Here we go.
He sees the world not as it is, but what it could become. Dreams of rockets reaching the stars while others dream of none. Built a future on the edge where few would dare to go. Elon's got a vision, and he lets that vision show. He's a visionary walking on a path untold, taking risks, betting on a long-term goal. He's aligning all the forces, setting him to soar, with a mind that's always reaching for more. In a world of quick returns, he's thinking far ahead. History's lessons guide his steps, by vision he is led. He knows to move the mountains, some stones must be thrown. He lets go of the doubters, so the mission can go on. He's a visionary walking on a path untold, taking risks, betting on the long-term goal. He's aligning all the forces, setting them to soar, with a mind that's always reaching for more. In electric cars to Martian skies, he's pushing boundaries, no compromise. In every challenge he sees the light, turning darkness into bright. He unites the team with a common goal, like vectors in a line, they all play their role. The mission is clear, the future's in sight. With every step forward, he's making it right. He's a visionary walking on a path untold, taking risks, betting on a long-term goal. He's aligning all the forces, setting them to soar, with a mind that's always reaching for more. The future that's right on track. He's a leader, a creator, lighting up the sky. In his hands the future's set to fly. From electric cars to Martian skies, he's pushing boundaries, no compromise. In every challenge he sees the light, turning darkness into bright. He's a visionary walking on a path untold, taking risks, betting on a long-term goal. He's aligning all the forces, setting them to soar, with a mind that's always reaching for more.